Om Namah Shivaya. I'm Vipinana. Again, welcome back. So today we'll practice together few round of Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing. So it has lots of benefit. It will make your mind more calm and more relaxed, more healthy. It will release your old tension, stress, depression. It will also increase your lungs capacity. So let's begin the class. Choose your sitting position. You can sit in Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Purna Padmasana. Try to sit in Padmasana. And now keep your right hand Vishnu Mudra, your left hand in Chin Mudra on your knees. Your back is completely straight. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your eyes are gently closed. And take a long inhalation through your both nostrils. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now first round of Anulom Vilom. You just lift your right hand up and close your right nostril with your right thumb. And inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Close your both nostrils and retain your breath. Very gently for the few seconds, 16 seconds if you're really comfortable. Exhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. If you're not comfortable with my count, then you can count your own number. Exhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Keeping the back straight. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your eyes gently closed. Exhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. If you have your personal mantra, you can repeat your mantra mentally. Otherwise, you can repeat the universal mantra Om. Exhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Keep repeating the mantra to create vibration in your whole body, in your mind. Exhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Close both nostrils. Retain the breath very gently. Exhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Try to close your both nostrils and retain the breath very gently. Exhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Close both nostrils. You can feel the difference in your whole body, in your mind. Try to feel more stillness in your whole body. Exhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Close both nostrils. Exhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale to right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. So far you are doing very well. You just maintain the posture, maintain the prana. Exhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. This is the last round of Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Just maintain the posture, maintain the prana. Exhale through right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale through right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Close both nostrils. This is the last and final rotation of Anulom Vilom. Now very gently through left. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Now release your right hand down. You just keep your both hands chin mudra on your knees. Keeping the eyes closed and keep breathing, keep relaxing here in the posture. And if you're really comfortable, you can visualize the Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama without using your right hand. You just take a long inhalation through your left nostril and give a pause. And exhale completely through the right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Again give a pause. And exhale completely through the left nostril. Just keep breathing, keep relaxing here. Again you can feel changes in your whole body, in your mind. You can feel more relaxed, more calmness, more peaceful. You just feel your each and every moment in your whole body. You can feel positive vibes in your mind, in your whole body. Just keep meditating in the posture. Enjoy your posture, enjoy your prana. Your prana is flowing up and down, base of the spine to high chakra and highest chakra to base of the spine. Breathe and relaxed. Now very gently, you can open your eyes. Now, thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Keep practicing. Om Namah Shivaya.